If you're shooting at a high frame rate, you might want to actually convert that footage to a lower frame rate to slow it down rather than using one of the speed effects. To do so, find the clip in your project bin, go up to Clip, Modify, Interpret Footage. This will bring up the Modify Clip window. Right now, it's using the frame rate from the file 59.9401. We want to choose Assume the frame rate is, then set the frame rate to your project sequence settings. For us, we're going to do 23.976, or maybe for you it would be 2997. Leave all of these the same and click OK. What happens is now the frame rate changes down here to 23.976. And when we play through it, it's in slow-mo. And actually the in and out point of our clip changes once we do that modification. So we might have to extend the clip and find the space again. And now actually changing it to the frame rate allows us to get the slowest motion footage without it becoming stuttery, without seeing the individual frames of the video. If you shoot at 59.94 and you slow it down to 23.976, it's still going to look smooth. It's going to be nice and buttery, slow motion. Love it. And I like this shot a lot more than the shot before, which was a little bit shaky. Now you don't see as much of those shakes, and that's one of the tricks that you can do with slow motion. So that's how you conform or interpret higher frame rate footage into a lower frame rate for your project. Thanks, and we'll see you in another lesson.